In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Google AdSense payment profile. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log in to your Google AdSense account. Head over to adsense.google.com and make sure to sign in using the specific Google account that's linked to the AdSense profile that you want to close. It's important to use the right account, so double-check that you're in the correct one before proceeding. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home dashboard. Here you're looking for the My Account tab. This is where you'll manage your account settings, so go ahead and locate that tab and click on it. You should see various options relating to your account, including your payment settings. Now the next step is to access the Payments section. Look for the Payments and Subscriptions option within the account settings. Clicking on this will give you an overview of your transaction settings. Here, you will be able to see all your current payment activity, subscription details, and any other financial items related to your AdSense account. The next part is crucial. You need to manage your services. In the Payments section, you'll see a button that says Manage Payment Methods. Go ahead and click on that. It will take you to another page. Here, you'll find the Subscriptions and Services tab. Click on it to view all the active services that are tied to your account. Before proceeding to cancel anything, take a moment to carefully review everything. Make sure that you double-check the services you currently have active. It's vital to ensure that you're canceling the correct profile, as this action can't be reversed. Once you close your payment profile, it will stop all incoming ad revenue, so it's a big step to take. After you've reviewed everything and you are absolutely certain you want to proceed, you can go ahead and cancel the profile. Follow the prompts that appear on the screen. You'll likely be asked to confirm your decision, so make sure you're ready for that. And just like that, you will have successfully closed your Google AdSense payment profile. Remember, once this is done, you won't receive any more earnings through AdSense from that particular profile. It's a significant choice, so bring some thought to it before finalizing. I hope this guide was helpful in navigating the steps to close your Google AdSense payment profile. If you have any questions, or if there are topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, feel free to drop a comment below. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more informative content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.